What's up, y'all? So this week I got a bunch of hair stuff because I'm going to eventually branch off into trying to do actual lace wigs, like with the glue and everything. And I got a bunch of wig stuff. I got wig bands, I got combs, I got a blow dryer, all that. All right, so I got these Remington flat irons. I don't know why I got the thick ones. I honestly just wanted some flat irons that have purple in it to match my aesthetic. So these are the flat irons. See the purple in the, and they got the little digital screen right here. So, you know, stop. So I'm coming in right here with a voiceover because the video turned out to be super long, y'all. Like, it turned out to be like 2 hours and 45 minutes because despite me rushing through it, it still took a while. So I cut a lot of it out. I sped a lot of it up. The parts with me yapping, I just kind of sped them up and decided to talk over them because, like I said, I didn't know my video was going to turn out that long. So I kind of had to speed it along for the sake of relevance. But yeah, I got all of this stuff from Amazon. Everything was basically under $30. It's all easy to find. Amazon really came in clutch for me because I didn't know what I was supposed to be getting, but it'll really like kind of guide you. Like, it'll show you other stuff that people ordered with all that stuff. That's how I got it. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be popping up with voiceovers all through this video because it was points where I forgot to talk, and it was points where it was just kind of random quietness and all of that. So yeah, that was y'all only warning though. So all the other times I come in with a voiceover, you're just gonna have to, you know, it is 26 inches, 13 by 4. And it's body wave. Y'all know I love my body wave. So here it is. You know we love to bounce. Okay. Okay. You can run your fingers right through it. Period. You got the... I'm so glad this is on here. The little headband that goes in the back. Because, baby, I have a little head. Which this wig looks little as it is. But I guess it's stretchy. It's got the combs on all 4 sides. Boom, 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 boom. It's got the band. It's got the little adjustable hooks in the back. And it got lace in the back. Huh. I've never seen that before. I don't know if that's normal, but my bad, y'all. My man called me. Okay. So now we're gonna get into it. I've done so much research on how to do this. And I'm not gonna guarantee like super good results because I was still confused at the end of all the videos, but we're just gonna pray on it. You know, that's all we really can do. And we're gonna leave these gel braids up right here. Don't laugh at me, for real. I don't like that. I don't play that. Have that all over your hairline. Make sure it's nice and clean. Don't get it in your hair. So I'm not necessarily going to talk about the process. I'm going to talk about everything I did wrong and why the video seemed so rushed. So basically, it turned out way longer than I thought it would. It took a long time, and I had to cut out a lot of stuff. My storage ran out at the end, so I didn't even get my end video that I wanted. I didn't get to do my outro, nothing. But we got it done. You know what? We're going to trust God. We always trust God. That's all you got to do. And you make it through life. So I would say my biggest mistake was not taking my time with my bald cap, because that was really the foundation of the whole install. The wig part was the easiest thing. That part was so easy. Literally all you got to do is glue it down in the right spot and then do the stuff you would do with your normal hair, honestly. So that was the easy part. I also didn't read the instructions for my glue. That was really where I went wrong, because I didn't realize how fast it would dry. And so it got really caked up and started making my bald cap kind of roll up and bunch up in certain places. And you could really tell, like, in certain lighting. But it's okay, though, because after I wrapped it up and, like, slept on it, you know, it was cool. It was real, like, nicely blended when I woke up and took my scarf and stuff off. So it worked out. But my bad for the video being so rushed. I just really needed to push this video out. I was tired. I had just got off work, but I was rushing through this process because I'm like, you know what? I got to get this video put out. I got to keep this consistency going if I want to get anywhere. So boom, here I am rushing through a wig install I've never done before. And for me to be rushing through it the way I was, I actually did really, really good. Like, the foundation wasn't the right color. It was kind of off, kind of bright, kind of orange, you know, against my skin. But that's okay because now I know for next time. That's what, you know, mistakes are for, to be learned from. Also, like I said, I didn't really lay my foundation that great. Like, my bald cap, I cut it too quick, too early, so it was like kind of lifting in certain spots. I ended up cutting by my ear when I was cutting my wig lace because I was rushing so much. Like, y'all, it was just really hectic. My real hair by my sideburns is kind of showing a little bit, so I had to like flat iron that and smooth it down with the fake hair. But you can't really tell, honestly. I didn't get an end video, like I said, because my storage ran out because of how long it took. My end video was about 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I had to cut a lot of it out. A lot of it was really like slow and unnecessary. That's why it seems so rushed. But again, this is my first time. I am a beginner. So it's like, it's not really much I could teach y'all anyway. Honestly, y'all probably should be the ones teaching me. So yeah, I'm still really proud of myself though. Even though I didn't get the end video, I took a lot of videos for my Instagram. So y'all still gonna be able to see how it turned out. The wig itself was also from Amazon. It's really good quality, y'all. Like, so far, no shedding, not oily, really easy to flat iron, comb, manipulate, all that. And it was only $67. Like, Amazon be having good hair. Y'all just gotta find it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, return. And thank you for your time. God bless you.